I go straight because you got too stuck. Wow, it's deep. You forever smoking. How dare you differentiate me? I'm being dishonest because you both also suck. This is one of my boys angry. So what are you doing? We're going straight home. This is one. And these boys is still. We're going straight home. We're never going to straight home. We're filming the lifts.
Ya, si te pone así. Tú te callado y si sube no te calla.
Because it put it in silence. Silence are speaking is unacceptable. Person rides the lift. This voice is I be doing one of my angry voices one person. And here's this one also still grounded. They all up to this floor. I never made it. We're going straight home on half of the goal.